Hey, hey, welcome back to Keys and Cafecito. I'm Anna Franklin, your real estate bestie, mom, realtor, and cafecito fueled home buying guide. And today we are getting into it. We're talking about the mystical, misunderstood, mildly terrifying credit score. What is it? How much does it actually matter when buying a house? And what if your score isn't looking so cute right now? Don't worry, I got you. So, what is a credit score really? Your credit score is basically a number that tells lenders how risky you are to lend to. The scale goes from 300 to 850, and the higher your score, the better your odds of getting approved for a mortgage and getting a better interest rate. Your score is based on 5 things: payment history. Do you pay your bills on time? Credit utilization. How much of your credit limits are you using? Length of credit history. How long have you had your accounts? Types of credit. Do you have a mix such as credit cards and car loans? New credit. Have you opened a bunch of new accounts recently? So, if you've been paying your bills, keeping balances low, and not opening 5 cards in 1 month, you're probably doing okay. What score do you actually need to buy a house, though? Let's talk numbers. Here's what most lenders look for: a score of 580 and above can be eligible for an FHA loan. Remember, this one comes with 3.5% down, most commonly known as first time homebuyer loan. The conventional loan has a minimum credit score of 620, and anything above 740 is going to get you top tier credit, better interest rates. That said, your score isn't the only thing that lenders consider. They also look at your income, your debt to income ratio, your job stability, your down payment amount. So don't panic if your score isn't perfect. I have helped buyers get to the closing table when they started with literal zero credit score. Isn't that remarkable? We literally had them at zero, and by the time we were at the closing table, they were in 720 territory. That's with the help of my lender. So, as I always say, it's really important, even if you're far off from the actual purchase process, it's important to talk to a lender to get a good idea of your path to purchasing. So don't panic if your score is not perfect. Always let me or your lender take a look before assuming that you can't buy. You might actually be way closer than you think. Ways to improve your credit score. If your credit isn't where you want it to be, you have options. Here are my top tips to boost your credit score. Number one is pay every bill on time. Set reminders if you have to. Use auto pay if you have to. Number two, pay down credit card balances. Ideally, you want to keep your credit card usage under 30% of your limit. Number three, don't close old accounts because length of history matters. Number four, avoid big purchases or new debt while you're preparing to buy. Number five, check your report. You get one free credit report per year at annualcreditreport.com. You can look for errors and you can dispute those. Sometimes it's just a few small changes that move your score into a qualifying range. And if you want help, I can connect you with trusted lenders and credit repair experts who won't scam you. I promise. So, what if my score really is that bad? You know what, though? Let's drop the shame. Okay. Life happens, bills happen, student loans, layoffs. It's normal. If your credit needs serious TLC, that's not the end of your home ownership journey. It's just a longer on ramp. Sometimes we work together for 6 months, 12 months, even 18 months, and that's still better than not trying at all. And when you do close on that home, you'll be so proud of every step that you took to get there. That's a wrap on today's Keys and Cafecito. Credit doesn't have to be scary, it's just one piece of the puzzle. And with the right